Hey everybody. So I'm going to go through adding an image, adding a label, and adding a button. So again, like in class, we always start by naming this something. And I'm going to make this the burrito app. And I'm going to save it. And then we always are going to try and kind of like use design mode. And I kind of wanted to mirror my app like this with a label on top, an image, and a button. So let's start off. We're going to use our design toolbox and we're going to start with the nice label. And I'm going to name it a burrito label. Nice in there. And say, I like burritos. You can mess around with the width. You can mess around with the height, the position. I'm going to make this be blue with a background of red. There we go. I don't know why there was an A in there. And you can make it as big as you want. I'm not going to use red, actually. I'm going to make it yellow. I think that will contrast better. I'm going to change my text alignment to the center. I'm going to add a border. And I could make it rounded, but I'm not going to. Okay, so that's our label. Now we're going to add an image of a burrito. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my favorite burrito I've ever had. And next I'm going to look for the biggest burrito. Let's see, images. So this burrito looks so good. This one's huge. So I'm going to copy the image address. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for where it says image, and I'm going to pop it in here. You can change this to make sure it says it looks right. Let's try this one. I don't like the contain. Let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to drag it this time. There we go. And I'm going to add a border in here. And I'm going to add a border radius to make it like a little more round. You can also mess around with the background color of the screen if you want by clicking on the ID screen. So if you notice, I didn't name this image ID, so I should change this to burrito image. I just like it to be descriptive. I'm on the burrito image, I'm on the burrito label, and now it says screen 1. And I can add whatever color I want. So I'm going to use that bluish color. And now I'm going to add a button. And I'm going to try and use the same colors that I used here. So if you click on the burrito label, you can actually use the colors over and over again, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to click on burrito label and I'm going to grab the background color. Pop that in here. And I'm going to change it to say, click me button. Have it say, click me. Yeah, so this is the basics of what you need. But right now, nothing happens when I click this. And I want something cool to happen. So what I'm going to add is a little sound effect. So we can do this by going to code. And we use this thing called onEvent. And this is where the ID becomes important. When you click the click me button, I want to add a sound. So I'm going to upload a sound. I use this play sound. And I'm going to upload it right here. And it's going to be called Loving It. Um, Hi, my name is Tommy, and I love burritos. Blah, 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 blah. I'm eating a burrito. I'm going to choose this. So now watch when we run this code. My name is Tommy, and I love burritos. Blah, 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 blah. So it works. That is it. You can share it with me. You can share it with your friends. Cool. So I'm going to stop this video and wish you luck.